Hi, I'm Scott from Burpee, and I'm here to show you today how easy it is to start seeds at home with our 72-cell self-watering seed starting system. Let's get started. We start by placing the elevation tables into the water reservoir and place our self-watering mat right over top of that, tucking the corners in to make sure that it can draw moisture up from the bottom tray. Next, we take the 72-cell preloaded with super growing pellets, place it right on top of the water reservoir. Now, an important tip here is we need to make sure before we add water to the growing pellets that we turn them all so that the flat side is pointed up. Now that we've got all the seed starting pellets flat side up, it's time to start slowly adding warm water to get the pellets to expand. It only takes less than a minute. Once the pellets are fully expanded with water, you can use the included soil mixing stick to break the pellets apart and make sure that they fill the cells evenly. It's time to get sowing. I'm going to use the mixing stick to create a small dibble hole in each one of these cells. When we're sowing the seeds, I like to double sow, put 2 seeds in every cell. That way we make sure we get good germination in the tray, but also we can select the strongest plant as the plants grow. And just barely cover the soil surface according to the package directions. Periodically, we'll check to make sure there's at least 1/4 of an inch of water in the water reservoir tray so that it keeps the water wicking up through the self-watering mat that keeps moisture coming to your seedlings. Place the clear cover over the top of the tray and place the tray in a warm, sunny area, but not in direct sun, until you see the seedlings start to sprout. Once you see your seedlings germinate, it's time to take off the clear plastic dome, and now we can move the tray to a bright window but not in direct sun, or this would be the time to place the tray under one of Burpee's ultimate grow lights to make sure you're giving your plants exactly the right light conditions that they'll need to thrive. With Burpee self-watering seed starting systems, it's easy to get your garden off to a great start.